The City of Los Angeles has signed an agreement with Honeywell to purchase 24 million N95 masks. We're very excited, and I'm so grateful to Gene and his team for I know what has been weeks of negotiations. These masks will meet our American standards. They'll be produced by a factory in the United States, and we've all seen the headlines detailing the insufficient supply of N95 masks, the price gouging that's going on that is ridiculous for the prices people have to pay, and the way people have been going from vendor to vendor, buying in several thousand from here and several thousand from there. But by buying in bulk and at a low price point that we're very pleased with, we can see the purchasing power of our city stepping up, not just for our workers here in the city, but for our hospital workers as well. Masks will go to first responders and will be distributed at cost to hospitals in need. The first 100,000 delivered in May, 500,000 arriving by July, and scaling up to 1.2 million per month by November. I'm very grateful to our team, to Honeywell, to our General Services Department as well for this life-saving purchase agreement, and to my team, including my Deputy Chief of Staff, Matt Szabo, and others from the City Council who have worked together to make sure we can spend money quickly when we have deals like this to jump on. So let me turn it over to Gene to detail a little bit more, and thanks again for ensuring that our people will be safe and that those who are protecting us in our hospitals will be as well. Gene?
Thank you, Mayor, and very exciting it is. This deal with Honeywell is important on so many levels, but to name three specifically. One, it creates domestic production and jobs only 6 hours away by the 10 freeway. So while others are clamoring to international markets and trying to get in queues here for domestic stockpiles, we have that ability to bring the cargo here to us within hours. Secondly, the idea here is certainty. With the production schedule that the mayor just laid out, we know exactly how much product we are going to receive at a minimum and when. That in turn will give our first responders, hospitals, and frontline medical workers the understanding of how this product is going to come to them and help them in their daily lives. The third piece here is that good price point or the way we want to deliver this, and it's going to be at cost to the hospitals and those workers. The structure of this contract is such that we wouldn't have it any other way. And we thought, built on the great purchasing capabilities and infrastructure of the City of Los Angeles, we could command that in a way that would give the price point a higher level of importance overall. But delivering these products and what we have seen in the marketplace over the last several weeks has been quite eye-opening. The burn rates of these N95 masks, of which we just have an example right here, are upwards of 5 million units per month right here in Los Angeles County. If we add in the private sector hospitals and surrounding areas in our region, that number is soon in 10-digit format. So our ability here now to bring on these masks in the schedule that we've just outlined is helpful. It's not going to complete all the work, but it's a starting point for us. And we'll continue to work to procure more product and get it out there. And that's exactly why Los Angeles created this opportunity through the mayor's vision to have Victory LA in place. And it was to find ways to speed product to market using the great seaport of Los Angeles as well as LAX and our knowledge of the domestic transportation network to make sure we are highlighting and prioritizing these critical shipments to get them to our hospitals.